Hello everyone. So in this lecture, I'm going to change the default SSH port to 2222 and ensure the changes are applied safely. So I'm in this location and here we have created 4 roles. So this time we have to go inside the SSH_config role. And here we have to go inside the task and then edit this file, main.yml file. So our requirement is to update the SSH configuration file. And in the SSH configuration file, first we have to look for the line which is started with the port space 22. So we have to remove that line and add port space 2222. So I have already the configuration file. Let me show you. Insert and paste it here. So let me try to explain what exactly it is doing. So the task is change the SSH port to 2222. And this is the module we are using, line in file. So it is looking for this configuration file. So this is the SSH configuration file. And what exactly it is looking for? It is looking for the line which is started with port or hash port. And also you can see we have given one space after port. It means the entry should be port space 22 or hash port space 22. And after that, it is going to change the entry from port 22 to port 2222. And then state present and backup is equal to yes. It means it is going to create a backup of the file before making the changes. And after doing the changes, we want it should restart the SSH service and also reload the systemd. For that, we have used notify. It means we are using the concept of handlers. So there are 2 handlers we have used. The first one is reload space systemd and the second one is restart SSH. So we have to create the configuration file inside the handlers of this role. So let me show you. Let me save and come out from here. And I'm in this location. Let me go step. Still I'm in the SSH_config role. And here this time we have to go inside the handlers. Let me take one more session. Duplicate session. So we have to create 2 entries in the handler and the name should be exactly the same that we have mentioned here. So coming back here, I'm in this location and here we have to create the main.yml file. I'm already having the document. Let me copy and paste. So here you can see we have mentioned the same name that we have mentioned in the main configuration file. That is reload systemd. Same we have mentioned here, reload systemd, and this is the command. So basically it is going to re-execute the systemd process to reread unit files and configuration file. And another task is to restart the SSH, and we have used service module, and this is the name. And state is restart, and the same restart space SSH we have used inside this. So basically this is your handlers, and it is going to use the handlers only if there is any changes in the configuration file. Suppose in the SSH configuration file the entry was port space 22. So with this configuration file it is going to change that entry from port 22 to port 2222. After that, it is going to reload systemd as well as restart SSH. So let me save and come out from here. So friends, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I will continue from here.